Okay, so today we're doing the front brake pads on the 86. Car's done 100,000 Ks now, so that's what, 60,000 miles on the original set of brake pads, and that's including a couple of track days and a whole lot of skid pan days. So exceptionally good mileage, I'd say, off this set of pads. So normally I would take this completely off, give it a proper clean and paint it, and the idea actually was this time around to powder coat it, but I just simply don't have the time. I need the car on the road. It should be simple enough. Bolt to the top, bolt to the bottom should get us this bit off, and thereafter we just pull off the pads and smack on the new ones. Theoretically, should be very easy. Let's see. These have got 100,000 Ks on them. There's a whole lot of life still left on those. So what I'm doing here is I'm pushing the piston back in. I'm using a G-clamp, and I just used an old spanner, a cheapy spanner, to come across the front there, and then all I do is wind this in, and if you can see, the piston's moving in. That actually was easier than I thought it would be. Simple enough.